Harish Rajput, I had the government and large enterprise vertical with Tally. Tally, I hope you must be knowing about Tally. Right, Tally is a synonym for a word accounting. Accounting means Tally, Tally means accounting. Right, and this confidence we have gained in the last 40 years just because of our valued customer who has a trust on us and who has a trust on our product. So I'll be sharing with you what exactly we are doing over here. So mostly Tally is being used in the businesses, right? But you must be thinking that what Tally is doing over here. So we also work with the government. We work with the government on the different sectors. We work with the PSUs. We work with the mission on the mission mode projects. We work with various state governments, central governments, and NGOs. So if you see like Tally Prime, which is our latest version, if you see what exactly we give the financial management solution, fund management solution, which is being used in the government basically. Then we also give sales and stock visibility, which is used for the large enterprises. So, as I said, we are there in the country for the last almost 40 years, and we have a presence in almost 100 countries now. So you can say that it's an Indian multinational company which started in 84, 85, and now it's almost 40 years, and we have got offices across many countries. And if you see like not only in India, even if you see the UAE, almost 40% market of the UAE is with Tally now. And in India, we have got almost around 65 to 70% market share across the country. Not only this, in fact, Tally is the first company which started the computerized accounting in the country. These are the various government departments with whom we work. We work with the defense sector, we work with the NRLM, we work with the health sector, we work with the education sector, and all these sectors are on Tally, you can say. Like, I'll just show you the. So we are also a major choice for various funding agencies in the Indian country. If you talk about World Bank, whenever they come with any project on the health sector, education sector, they always prefer Tally as a business solution or accounting part for the projects. These are the few success stories. If you see like NRHM, which is the National Rural Health Mission, and NRLM, if you see 12,000 locations of NRHM are on Tally, 5,000. So NRHM, like if you see, we are working at the block level, right? We have got around 12,000 locations which are on Tally now across the country. Similarly, in the NRLM, if you see, we have got around 5,000 locations which are on Tally. FPO, which is a major project and which is an ongoing project and which is a favorite project of our PM, and on which we are working. We are going to have 10,000 locations in the country where the FPOs are coming up. So if you see FPOs also, Tally is the first preference for them, and we have already got around 6,000 locations where the implementation has been done. Similarly, sales also, which is the PSU. Now, as I said that we work on the PSUs also. Sale basically doesn't purchase Tally for their own. They buy Tally because they have a huge network of dealers, right? So they have to have a sales and stock visibility report from their dealers on a weekly basis, sometimes on a fortnightly basis. So that's the reason they buy Tally for their dealers. So, as I said, FPO project. So this project is almost initial is for 10,000 locations where the CBPOs are working and the FPOs are working with them, and the government is trying to bring all the farmers on one particular platform so that their income increases and the crops also get sold out quickly. So this is our fund management solution. As I said that when World Bank finances any project, they first select the Tally. Reason being, we have got the fund management the state government, and from state government it goes to the district and the block. So just to monitor the utilization of the entire funding system, the FMS system is being used. And this is what we had developed around 10 years back, and still it's working with the government. So these are the various reports which you can generate from the fund management solution, like the statement of fund position, utilization, right, unspent balance, statement of expenditure. All these reports can be, these are all automated reports which can be generated from the FMS solution which we are giving. Then this is a recent one where we have signed a MOU with the NSIC, right? So NSIC is closely working with the MSME sector. So now we all know that MSME sector is playing a major role in the development of the economy in the country. We have got around major, you can say the employment is being generated from the MSME sector. So, but at the same time, adoption of technology is not a choice for them, it has become mandatory for them. So we are working closely with the MSME sector these days, and we have signed with the NSIC just to support the MSME sector on the technology part, so that we can give them the business solution, and which can help again in the increase in the productivity of the MSME sector. These are the basic, if you see, like accounting and invoicing, we are providing GST compliance. GST, as you all know, when the GST came to the country, Tally was the major player in that. Even today, 60% e-way bills are being generated from Tally software only across the country. Then the latest one which we are coming is the connected banking services, which is like when you are using a Tally, you can directly log into your bank, bank over there, which is a secure connection we are giving, right? So the benefit of this is that if I have to make a payment to my vendor, I don't have to go to his to issue any check or something like that. We can directly connect with the bank, and the bank can directly pass the payment to the customer's account, vendor's account, and then the real-time integration can happen immediately. So this is the latest one. We have signed with 3 banks, and shortly in the coming next 4-5 months we have another 2 banks in our district. In the MSME sector, we are also supporting them on the funding part, means we are helping them to generate the capital also. So we are giving them the unsecured loans on the basis of their balance sheets and all. So these are the benefits which one can have from the connected banking. It's a secure connection, real-time bank. You can, while doing the accounting, you can see the real-time balance, real-time integration, real-time acknowledgement from the vendors. So I'll not go much in the detail of this. So this is what exactly we do in Tally, and our latest version is of Tally Prime, which I hope, like if someone is from the commerce background or from the finance background, they must be knowing what exactly we provide over there. And in case you have any queries, and we have a stall over there, and my colleagues are also there, so we'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you. Thank you.